Howdy, howdy. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to be discussing long-term projections and forecasts for the gold. I just made a video. I just made a short on gold, and basically I asked you guys to not the long the top of the gold because right now longing gold right at the top is very risky. You are almost near all-time highs, so you need to be careful. Do not fall for the euphoria. Of course, the fifth wave can be long in the commodities, and gold can continue to go up. But I will show you a few things which will make you rethink your, impulsive decisions. I'll show you a few things which will make you reconsider your FOMO. I will show you some things which will make you reconsider what you are going to do on Monday. That is long the gold, right? So I will now, without wasting your time, I will just share my charts. Okay, so I will start from the weekly chart because I made the short on gold and I discussed the weekly. So as you can see from the chart that we have gone up, but we have gone up and we have gone up with 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we have created a divergence on the weekly. So this is not good. This is not good at all. So and also, do you see this gray line? Now, of course, this is calling the top of the gold. It is now very difficult for the gold to go up, and most likely gold will do something like this, and then it will taper off like this. But anyway, I'm not going to tell you what this gray line does. Basically, it just stops usually the moves. But of course, it can go up and do like this. But I will tell you the reasons why you should wait before, longing the gold. So there are two reasons. The first reason is after the 5 waves up, if you are bullish on gold, you ought to wait for the correction before longing, right? You cannot long the fifth wave. You cannot long the fifth wave, number one. And secondly, I will show you another thing. I'll go to the monthly chart. And now, in the monthly bigger picture, things look really dangerous. That is, as per my algo, it looks like that it is making some sort of a W, X, and then a Y, or ABC, or let me remove it, like ABC, and then this is complex B, and then it will do something like this for C, and then it will go up. You understand? Now, obviously, because of the euphoria, giving you a prediction like this that gold will go down to till this level is very risky, although it can go down. But eventually, if you are still bullish on gold, then you should wait for this retracement at least, and then long it. My bias is still to the downside. In the long run, in the monthly chart, I don't see any long. In fact, I see this. I see a retracement to take this out. When everybody will be bearish on gold, then we will long it. This would be the most clever setup. And this moving average will also be here. This moving average 200 monthly. So this will be the perfect setup, right? When everybody will be bearish on gold on monthly, we will long it. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Although gold can do a smaller correction and then still go up, but I don't think it is going to do that. But I'm making this video not to tell you what gold is going to do on monthly. I'm making this video because most of the people are going to long gold on Monday. Why? Because gold made such a huge big move on Friday, and now the dumb money will be piling in on gold on Monday. And you know what happens when the crowd gets in? They they get taken out. They lose all the money. So even if you're over bullish on gold, so even if you think this is not a correction, but this is an impulse, then you need to wait for this. You need to wait for this. and then long it. Or if you are totally fully smart and 100% smart, then you need to wait for it to take this out and then you will long it. And you keep this long forever, forever and ever, for maybe 10 years. Keep this long. Or maybe 5 years, keep this long, because this will last a lot. Because I will tell you how if this happens, I'll tell you the targets. Assuming, let me go to the monthly chart. I'm assuming the fifth wave, it goes here, right? So that would mean this whole is a fourth wave. This is some sort of a fourth wave correction that gold is making. Then our targets will be these ones. First target, second target, and gold will definitely reach this target, the second one. Why? Because gold is a commodity, and in commodities, the fifth wave is usually the longest and hardest. So our targets will be 2164, and our second target will be 2467. Right? But this is long-term monthly projection. This is not a short-term thing. I'm just showing you the monthly chart. I'm just showing you that it looks like gold will bounce from this trend line. Even I don't use trend line, but my algo is saying that it will do something like this and then bounce. And it will make it symmetrical also. Otherwise, this piece is not looking equal to this piece. So we need a bigger correction for this move up. This. And also we need a big correction for the whole thing. Right? It makes sense. So let it come here. Let it come here. And then we will long from moving average 200 of monthly. And we will keep it to 24,060. Oh, sorry, not 24,000. 2460. Right? Long from 1500, maybe, or break of this bottom, 1500, 1600 to 2460. And the fifth wave will be very hard and very sharp. There will be a lot of euphoria, much bigger euphoria than what you are having right now. It will rocket up like this, something like this. The euphoria will be like this, right? The same sort of euphoria. So in the monthly, we are actually doing something like this. Impulse, correction, and then impulse, big impulse. So this is the structure that we are forming. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So coming back to the daily chart and removing these lines, I want you to see the divergences on the weekly and repeat after me that I am never going to long the tops. Say it. Say it. Repeat after me. Thank you. I will end this video now and I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a like so that I'm motivated enough to keep giving you these extraordinary infos which nobody will tell you. Most of the people will just draw stupid trend lines, draw trend lines like this, and they will just confuse you. They will say it will come here, it will go there, trend line breakdown, it will fall down, trend line support held, it will long. You wouldn't have any longer term direction. Only I will give you a longer term direction, and I will tell you the reasons why also. I just told you. I just told you in the monthly time frame what is cooking. I just showed you in the weekly the big divergences and the gray line, which will most likely stop. Even if it goes up, we will not long it because this is the fifth wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a correction to long it. Even if we are bullish. Why? Because we are smart. Right? Okay. So make sure you give me a like and give me a subscribe so that next week I also give you an update. Otherwise, I have a very small heart. I get demotivated easily. So so I look for you guys, and I look to see you next time, and hope to see you in my community very soon. Take care. Good day.